Hello everyone, my name is Tunka and I'm a grade 3 student and I'm really excited to share my presentation with you today. We're going to be learning about some super cool interesting topics in my English, science and maths class. We dive into the world of playscripts, discover how animals and plants are suited in their habitats and explore the exciting concept of likelihood. So let's get ready to learn a lot and let's have some fun together. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, first up is English. We are going about writing a play script. A play script is a special kind of story. It's written to be acted out on a stage. Every play script needs characters. There are many people or animal in the story. We also need a setting which tell us where and when the plays take place. The most important things of the parts of the dialogue, these are words or the characters say to each other. And finally, we have stage directions, which uh, are instructions for actors, telling them how to move, speak, and show their emotions. Let's break down the parts of play script. First, we have the title, which simply the name of the play. Then the character list, which tell us all the people or animals in the story. The setting describe where and when this play is happening. The dialogue is written with the character name followed by a colon, and then they say words they need to say. And finally, stage directions are usually paused and use italics and tells actors what to do. Let's see how to apply what we learn into writing a play script. Imagine we're a famous story of three little pigs. First, we need to define what is the title, which could be Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. The characters could be the three little pigs themselves and the Big Bad Wolf. Then, this about the setting. The story takes place in a small village where the three little pigs build their houses. Now let's make some dialogues. For example, Wolf speaking. Little pig, let me come in. And the stage direction is we can put huffing and puffing. Now let's talk about an adventure story. An adventure is exciting or unusual experience. When you're reading, you pay attention to punctuation marks. A question mark means a question. An exclamation mark shows a strong feeling, like excitement or surprise. A full stop means the sentence is finished. And we also learn about contraction, like they are, which is short for they are. Now let's dig deeper into punctuation marks. The question mark, of course, is to ask something. For example, what time is it? An exclamation mark for strong emotion, like watch out! A full stop means a question is finished. And of course, we all know what it is. Let's go to an example. I like pizza. Commas are useful as well. They use to separate items in the list or parts of the sentence, like red, blue, and green. Question marks are used for dialogs. For example, hello, she said. Let's move on to science. We learn about habitats, which are the place where animals and plants live. We focus on birds and how their beaks suited into habitats. A beak is hard, pointed, and a bird's mouth. Different birds have different beaks. A kingfisher has a large, sharp beak for catching fish, and a pigeon has a small, pointed beak for eating seeds. Let's dive more deeply into the different types of birds' beaks. A starling has a long, pointed beak, which helps it find insect and worms. A kingfisher, on the other hand, has the large and sharp beak, which helps it to catch fish, which are very fast. The flamingo has a long, flat, and used to its beak to filter small plants and animals from the water. Pigeons have small, pointed beak. They are good at picking up seeds. It's clear to the shape that the beak is determined of the type of food they eat. It's not just animals, just birds that are adapted to the habitats. Fish have gills to breathe underwater, have fins to help them swim. Tigers have stripes to help them blend in the forest with the forest, and they have good hearing. These are all examples of adaptations. How animals they have special features to help them survive in their environment. Think about the desert. A cactus can store water, or the Arctic. A polar bear has thick fur to stay warm. Now, let's have a closer look at how tigers adapted to their habitat. Tigers live in forests in parts of Asia. They have a striped coat that lets them blend in the forest floor. They can also have very good hearing, which helps the other animals moving. The stripe can help break up the tiger body shape, making it harder to see animals to see them. Just like animals, plants are also able to live outside their normal habitat, and of course they need to adapt too. These plants all have special features that allows them to survive. We can see plants in pots in our house as well. Now for maths. We have learned about likelihood, which is how likely something is to happen. An event is something that happened, like rolling a dice. An outcome is full result of the event, like getting 6 even chance. There's a 50-50 chance. Is as likely to, as not to happen. We can use the likelihood scale to describe the chance of something happen from impossible to certain. We use special words to describe likelihood. Certain is will definitely happen. Likely is our good chance. It means it probably could happen. Maybe is for it could happen, or it could not. Means it probably won't happen. Impossible or no chance means it not cannot happen. Let's look at an example using a stick six-sided die. The event is rolling the die. The possible outcomes are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The chance of rolling 5 is a poor chance because there are 5 other numbers you could roll. The chance of rolling a 7 is impossible because a normal die cannot have 7, and the chance of rolling any number between 1 and 6 is certain. Here are some more examples. If the event is flipping a coin, the possible outcomes are heads or tails, and the chance of getting heads or tails. There it is an even chance. Imagine a jar with 10 sweets and only one of them red. If you pick a sweet without looking, the chance of picking the red one is poor chance because there are 9 other sweets you could pick. Now for some practice. Remember what we have learned. What is likelihood and follow events? The sun goes down today. It's certain. Of course, that's impossible or no chance. When we drop a cake and flying upwards. That's how about finding a folio cover? That's a poor chance. Or getting taller in 3 months? That's likely. As we are growing, still growing. How about if we have a bag of mostly red apple? And what is the red one? Chance of the red one? It will be likely. And then And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you learned something new about Playscript, animal adaptation, and likelihood. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and for more fun learning videos. I'd love to hear what you think. So please leave a comment below. See you next time.